Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Myself, Vinod Trivedi. Today, we are going to discuss chapter number 20 Social Problems of India and Challenges. Let us start, students. Okay, uh, from many years, we are conquering with these challenges. Okay, social problems. India is a country with huge population and the largest democracy. Here, people of different religion, languages, culture live together. Coordinating culture and secularism are its characteristic. Again, make sure uh, coordinating culture and secularism are its characteristics. Indian society is changing from traditional to modern society. Many changes have taken place in it. With these changes, many problems have originated, which include social, economic, political, cultural problem. In this chapter, we will discuss two challenges: communalism and casteism. Dear students, as we know, India is known. We have unity in diversity. Okay, there are different kind of people. They are living together. Okay, with different religion, different languages, and different culture. We can say. Okay, so and from many years. Okay, that democracy we are practicing. In this chapter, actually, we are going to discuss about communalism and casteism. Okay, from many years, okay, we are, I would say, conquering with these two challenges, two problems. Many people of India belonging to different religion, caste, languages have collectively worked for freedom of our country. Yes, okay, there are different kind of people. Okay, they work together for getting freedom. Okay, from Britishers. At a time, they didn't consider their religion, their language, their state, or many other things. Okay, and they work together and they gave their sacrifice, they sacrificed, okay, their lives also. So at the time also we work together until we are also living together. Okay, there are different kind of people: Hindus, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Parsi, many of them, Isai, even though they all together fought against Britishers. Okay, collectively work together. It is because of their effort that we have achieved precious freedom. Okay, and we cannot say only one religion, otherwise the people of one religion, otherwise the people of one caste, we got freedom. Okay, we worked mutually, and this is the result of that we have worked, and that is why we got freedom. It seems that harmony, okay, make sure harmony मतलब एक साथ काम करना, tolerance, harmony, unity, tolerance, okay, that existed in the past withdrew away after independence. Today we come across some negative factor which hinder the peace and progress, such as communal conflicts, caste-based quarrels, regional violence, etc. These this is a serious challenges to social goodwill, secularism, democratic value, and national integrity. Okay, so at the time we work together without thinking, okay, about religion, about state, about language, anything. But nowadays we are seeing also that on the name of different religion, on the name of even language, and sometimes reason, okay, people they are fighting. Okay, they are making conflicts. So that all are problems, they are hurdle for development of any nation, and we are also facing that difficulty for running our nation also. Nowadays you can see, okay, in India we have a democracy. Okay, and actually what is democracy? Democracy is for the people, by the people, of the people. Okay, but you can see at the time of election, okay, people, they before casting their vote, they think about religion, state, and their personal benefits sometimes. Okay, but they do not know. Okay, suppose what say short term benefit will give you big trouble for overall the nation also. कभी कभी हम देखते हैं कि जब फ्रीडम के टाइम पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने मतलब साथ में जुड़ के ब्रिटिशर को मतलब हराया था। ओके, नॉन वायलेंस वे देख लो या वायलेंस वे देख लो, हमारे फ्रीडम के लिए दोनों मतलब की बातें जो है वो मतलब कि एक जैसी चली है। आप अगर देखोगे तो इंडियन हिस्ट्री, अब उसके बाद फ्रीडम हासिल करने के बाद रियल अगर फ्रीडम फाइट है तो अब है। अब जो सिटीजन हैं उनको समझना है कि जो हमको वैल्यूएबल फ्रीडम मिली है तो उनको एक जो मतलब फ्रीडम को सही जगह पे हमको ले जाना चाहिए। और जो देश को नुकसान करते हैं सारी चीज़ें, और उसमें इसमें बताया है कि वी कम across some negative factors which hinder the peace and progress such as communal conflicts. Okay, कम्युनल राइट्स हो जाते हैं, ओके, बंटवारे हो जाते हैं, हिंदू मुस्लिम का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, कभी अपर कास्ट लोअर कास्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। तो ये सारी चीज़ों को मतलब कि अगर देखते हैं तो देश का नुकसान ही होता है। कास्ट बेस्ड क्वारल, ओके, रीजनल, मैं ये स्टेट का हूँ, ये स्टेट का है, कश्मीर तो कश्मीरियत, ओके, वी ऑल आर वन। सो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं वो, दिस इज अ सीरियस चैलेंजेस टू सोशल गुडविल। ओके, सोशल गुडविल, सेक्युलरिज्म। Okay, do you know what is meant by secularism? Okay, secularism that we have to give, okay, same respect to any other religion, okay, other culture also. Democratic values, democracy, okay, कोई मतलब कि नंबर ऑफ पीपल को देखना नहीं है, कोई कास्ट देखना नहीं है, सब के साथ एक जैसा मतलब कि बर्ताव होना जरूरी है। वैल्यूज, नेशनल इंटीग्रिटी, और सब एक साथ मिलेंगे तो देश मतलब कि सही आगे जा सकता है। सो दिस इज द थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, कम्युनलिज्म। रिलीजन इज अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ एंड रेवरेंस। ओके, रिलीजन, व्हाट इज रिलीजन? रिलीजन फॉर अस, ओके, नॉट वी आर फॉर रिलीजन। जनरली एवरी पर्सन फॉलोज वन और अदर रिलीजन और सेक्ट। सेक्ट मतलब जाति। India is a secular country, thus communal behavior is against the spirit of constitution. Okay, actually India is a secular country. We do not have any what's a national religion. Okay, we have given same respect to all religion. So suppose if any kind of communal rights, okay, this is wrong as our constitution. When a group of people or religion or sect oppose other religion or sect because of any reason, communal tension arise. Okay, and what is happening? Sometimes some people of one religion, they are trying to show their religion is, it has a higher level. Okay, and that is why they are, I would say, making oppose, and sometimes they feel that particular one religion should be what say prevail in one nation, but it is a wrong thing because India is a secular country. But what happened? What some handful people, they are trying to do these things. Okay, now when a group of people, religion or sect oppose the other religion or sect because of any reason, communal tension arise. When the people of any religion or sect try to show superiority of their religion in comparison with other religion and give more importance to religious interest, then they look at every citizen not as an individual but from a communal perspective, such as a spirit divide the society. Okay, sometime what happen, if we give our religion as a what is super religion, otherwise it has a higher level, so at that time we always do not think about those people who have different religion. Okay, we do not consider them also, we do not give respect to them. Okay, and because of that, what's a communal problem, okay, starting to arise now. And because of that, society has been divided into small parts also. Even after so many years of independence, we have not been able to solve the problem of communalism. Communalism is harmful in different ways. Okay, after having many years, but we do not solve. Okay, we are unable to solve the problem of communalism because sometimes the issue of communalism has some political interest, and sometimes those some people, some foolish people, they are doing such a thing because of not having good education also. Okay, because some we can say opportunistic people, they also lead the mob and they try to damage the society, and number of people, because of handful people, they join with them and they do destructive work also. So because of not having education also, now, again I am reading, even after so many years of independence, we have not been able to solve the problem of communalism. Communalism is harmful in different way. It leads to social tension in the country. People consider their own friends as enemy or rivals, because of which atmosphere of difference and hatred is created. Communal tension leads to communal riots or quarrel. All these things are harmful for democracy, national integrity, and development of nation. Okay, sometimes in some area, okay, there are different kind of people. They are living together. Okay, different religion also, but we at the time of what's a communal rights, they are those people who are living at one place. Okay, they start feeling insecurity. Okay, they have actually, there is good understanding among different kind of people, but at the time of communal rights, okay, they have a feeling of insecurity. ओके, अगर बात मैं बता दूँ तो कश्मीर में जो मतलब लोग रहते थे, पर्टिकुलर पंडित जो कश्मीरी पंडित थे, उनके सराउंडिंग में जो लोग रहते थे वो उनके साथ बहुत अच्छे ताल्लुकात थे, पर कम्युनल राइट्स हुए तो उनके मतलब कि जो नज़दीक वालों से उनको बहुत नुकसान हुआ था। और कुछ दूसरी जगह की बात अगर कर दो, अगर मैं यहाँ बहुत बहुत न्यूट्रल लेके बात करता हूँ, कुछ ऐसे एरिया भी है कि जहाँ हिंदूज मेजोरिटी थी और उनके साथ मुस्लिम जो लोग रहते, जो मतलब कि माइनॉरिटी में आते थे, तो हिंदुओं से भी उनको बहुत नुकसान हुआ था। तो एक्चुअली रियल रीज़न तो उनको पता ही नहीं थी क्या था क्या नहीं था, पर एक जगह पर रहने वाले जो अड़ोस पड़ोस के जो लोग थे, उन्होंने एक दूसरे को नुकसान पहुँचाया था। सो दिस इज अ रॉन्ग थिंग। और वी ऑल आर इंडियन। ओके, हम अगर कोई इंसान मतलब कि देश छोड़ के जाने वाला नहीं है, सो वाई शुड वी do such things? Okay, and actually what is responsible for this thing? Sometimes people do not have awareness about the thing, and as well as second thing, some opportunistic people, कुछ जो ऐसे लीडर होते हैं उनको पता है कि हम ऐसा ही मतलब करके कम्युनल राइट्स क्रिएट करके हमारी गद्दी संभाल सकेंगे, तो कभी कभी पूरे मॉब को ऐसे लीड करते होते हैं। Okay, students. So we are keeping this lesson till over here. Okay, we have started this chapter. Okay, and suppose if you have any question, any query, you can send message also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.